people, it's your one and only boy. Bully, hitting out from the 32 underscore South of Face. You know what it is, you know what's up. From the Devon streets to the global stage, baby, let's go. And I'm with the one and only boy from the band. It's BTV, OTV, it's from OTV, sorry, so my bad, OTV. This nigga is doing too much, but without a further say, Abang Amaz, Basazo Maz, man. What's your name, bro?
I'm praised God, my friends. Also, for no reason, you're messaging about my friends. I have the card, so we can do business like this, editing, music, production. So far, everyone has been this topic.
Alright, wait, that's nice, that's nice. But currently, how is your journey being done? Like, what's the struggle? What are the challenges as an upcoming creator that you're focusing on?
My challenges, bro, I would say, especially gatekeepers. Devon is full of my gatekeepers, bro. So most of I'm actually staying content creators, well as find a way to control the bro. So I mean, with my challenges, like finding a step partner or a band just to what you organize and like Devon without me going. That's the no takes out. So for you, like guys, that's now like a movie like so we need something strong, it's not easy. I decided to do 7 times, something happening. Let's go to Joe, let's go to Cape Town. So yeah, my challenge is so far in how to move it. It's definitely about success.
Also, now you also empowered in the creators networking.
Yes. Last week when the show I hosted with my 32 South. So I was part of the training now and like last week to see what's going to happen. And I was super impressed by about going to organize it. So now it's a bit not like them when you got the potential. Why post?
Gatekeepers, listen, we got the keys now. It's in a certain diversity. But thank you. Dog, what are your thoughts towards the girlfriend allowance?
So when I put it on my boy, and I I would say, you don't mean I don't give my money, but I think you want to do something. That's all I can say.
Alright, thank you very much, guys. Please don't forget, it's OTV in the building, yes sir. The one and only from Tongat. Danko.